All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. You've got to learn to leave the table when love's no longer being served. Scarcity of self-value cannot be remedied by money, recognition, affection, attention, or influence. By being yourself, you put something wonderful in the world that was not there before. Caring for myself is not self-indulgence, it is self-preservation, and that is an act of political warfare. I realized that I don't have to be perfect. All I have to do is show up and enjoy the messy, imperfect, and beautiful journey of my life. If we give our children sound self-love, they will be able to deal with whatever life puts before them. Be a first-rate version of yourself, instead of a second-rate version of somebody else. Joy does not simply happen to us. We have to choose joy and keep choosing it every day. Sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. When one door of happiness closes, another opens, but often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes, courage is the quiet voice at the end of the day saying, "I will try again tomorrow." You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. Fairy tales are more than true, not because they tell us that dragons exist, but because they tell us that dragons can be beaten. It is only when we take chances, when our lives improve. The initial and the most difficult risk that we need to take is to become honest. When you put love out in the world, it travels, and it can touch people and reach people in ways that we never even expected.